Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play cat simulator games. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. You will typically use the W, A, S, D keys or a joystick to move your feline friend around the environment. To interact with objects, like knocking over a vase or batting a toy, simply press the designated action button, often the E key or the X button on a controller. Keep an eye on your cat's health and energy bars, usually displayed at the top of your screen, to ensure they stay happy and healthy. Now that you know the basics, it is time to explore. Cat simulator games often feature expansive open worlds filled with hidden nooks and crannies. Take your time to sniff out every corner and uncover delightful secrets. You will also encounter various missions and objectives, which are crucial for earning valuable in-game currency and experience points. Keep an eye out for friendly non-player characters, as they often have exciting new tasks for your adventurous cat to undertake. One of the most enjoyable aspects of these games is customizing your cat. You can often choose from dozens of different breeds, from a sleek Siamese to a fluffy Maine Coon, and select unique fur colors and patterns. As you progress, you will unlock exciting new abilities, such as a higher jump or a faster sprint, making your cat even more agile. Do not forget to use your earned rewards to purchase fun accessories and furniture to decorate your cat's cozy virtual home. To truly master the game, practice advanced maneuvers like stealthy pouncing on unsuspecting toys or expertly climbing tall furniture. Many games allow you to engage in playful interactions with other virtual animals, adding another layer of fun to your adventures. Do not be afraid to experiment with different strategies for completing objectives or simply enjoy the sandbox elements. Remember, the goal is to have a perfectly delightful time exploring the world as a charming feline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.